veterans are the strongest supporters of this country you have. They support this country with their life if they have to. So you can't get much more dedication than that. They are very dedicated to this country.
When you come back and you don't see that you're appreciated by the public, it's hard. But when we come out on things like this and we see the kids on the side with the flags, and one year I saw some lady, she was sitting there holding a picture of her son, you know, or a family member, and she was sitting there on the side and just holding the picture and hugging it, and it just made me cry.
It's like a big celebration, you know, you don't even have the words, you know, to describe, you know, the feeling, you know, that people would actually take out the time of the day, you know, to honor, you know, these, you know, men and women, you know, for the armed forces.
If they're supporting anyone in the military, then they're supporting the military. Supporting one person or supporting a group of us, I mean, we consider ourselves a family in the Navy. It's deeper than just a job. It's a family.
You're a part of it. You'll always be a part of it. They'll always have their own individual experiences, but it just reinforces the fact that everything we do, everything around us is one brotherhood. Regardless of your service, whether you're in the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, or the Marine Corps, it's all one service, and we can all stand behind each other on any point and occasion.